doing the cinnamon challenge. Again, take 2. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. Wait, I need water.
Thank you, and that was the challenge.
1, 2,
Now
3.
visit our website, Riley. And of course, Riley. Bye-bye. You want to do it? I want to do it. You will? I have 2 specials. You are the chicken. Okay. Hi, this is That's My Show. Today I have Adley and me and another special guest. And she is doing... a chicken. My other one is Adley doing a And next
Oh God, this is nasty. Ew.
First, Adley with the egghead. Adley, show your egghead. Show the other side. Now go here. Come on, Blake. Show your chicken.
You want that side?
Your chicken.
Who wants this side?
There's
I'm gonna put them both on there. Oh, stupid trains.
and me, cheerleader.
That was disgusting. Again.